respected teachers, honorable audience, and dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are talking about Pakistan, our free and independent homeland. This freedom did not come easily. Behind it were the leadership of scholars, the blood of martyrs, and countless sacrifices. Pakistan is the fruit of the dream of Allama Iqbal and the efforts of sincere scholars. This land reminds us that it is not just time for celebration, but for reflection and asking ourselves, what have we done for our country? Are we honest, hard-working, and ethical citizens? Remember, independence